Hello once again. Today in Common Mistakes with English, we will look at two words, then and than. First off, let's look at the word then. Then has two meanings. It means at that time and it also means after that. Let's use the word then in a sentence. I was living in Delhi then. This means I was living in Delhi at that time. Let's use it in another sentence. I'll have lunch and then I'll go for a walk. Here, the word then means after that. Now, let's find out how do we use than. Than is used for comparison or to compare people and things. Let's use than in an example. She is taller than her brother. Let's use one more example. I have more apples than you.